Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set fingerprint lock in Redmi mobile. How to use Redmi mobile fingerprint lock setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, Redmi mobile, you want to set fingerprint lock, you want to unlock Redmi mobile with fingerprint lock. So friends, open your device, phone setting. After turning on phone setting, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here and open your phone password and security setting. After doing a phone password and security setting, you want to use fingerprint lock setting. So you can use fingerprint lock setting, but then first you will have to set lock screen password, because if you click here, so friends, you can check set screen lock before adding your fingerprint. So friends, I will use fingerprint lock plus pattern. You can use fingerprint lock plus pin, and you can use fingerprint lock plus password. But friends, remember your lock screen password. If you forget, you will have to erase all data. Got it? Set pattern. So friends, I will draw this pattern for fingerprint lock. Confirm option. Then touch and remove on your fingerprint sensor, and you can start your fingerprint lock setting. And you can use, so when touch and remove different move, you can use fingerprint lock setting in Redmi mobile. Touch and remove on your fingerprint sensor. After set fingerprint lock, if you click here face lock data setting, add option, start option, click here face lock plus fingerprint lock you want to use, so friends you can use. Click here next option, show your face, and you can start face lock also in your Redmi mobile, and you can use face lock and fingerprint lock setting. After show face lock will add successfully, done option, click here lock your screen. So friends, you want to use Redmi mobile face lock setting, and you want to use Redmi mobile fingerprint lock setting. If you show your face, phone will unlock automatic swipe here. Lock your screen, friends, use your fingerprint lock, your phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can use Redmi mobile fingerprint lock. Draw pattern, use fingerprint and face lock, you can unlock your phone. Draw pattern, phone will unlock. Use fingerprint lock, phone will unlock. Use face lock, phone will unlock. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, have any problem in Redmi fingerprint lock setting, password and biometric setting, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.